Good morning, everybody. It's Dave and Rens Homestead. August the 4th, 2017. It's a Friday. Good morning, everybody. Now, last night, a storm came through and ripped out this other corner of my tarp. What's up, everybody? It's Dave and Rens Homestead. And some high winds came and actually tore out the grommet in this corner. Can't see it from here. I'll show it to you tomorrow, but it's raining right now. This grommet right here got tore out the last time, so I doubled up to two of them, and it's already ripping. And then now that one over there has ripped out during the storm. I won't be able to fix it till tomorrow, so before I go to work, I'll get up bright and early and repair that. Anyway, that's that. Patched that up. I ended up doing it last night after the storm passed in the dark. But I gotta figure out something else to do. Maybe a shade sail or something. This tarp just ain't gonna function. It served its purpose. But you can see up there. The last time the wind came through and it tore this corner out, so I had to double up, and if you can see, it's already starting to rip again. And they say it's reinforced ends, but they just don't last. Here it is right here. You can see they got this winding that goes through, and I guess this is supposed to be the reinforcement. Piece of junk, waste of money, but it has served the purpose of keeping the humid or the hot sun from beating on the side of the camper. But it will be coming down soon. And what I'll do here is I'll move that somewhere. I don't know where yet, but I'll end up moving this bird feeder, because right now I just got it on the thing right here, keeping the squirrels out of it. So far the squirrels haven't been able to get to it, which is a good thing, so I might try to figure something out and put from that tree to this tree or something, and I don't know. Anyway, solar panels set up so when the sun gets up overhead, they'll be hitting it. Beautiful morning this morning. I've been up since about 5:30. It was about 59 degrees out here in the mountains in August. Breeze is blowing pretty good. I'm really blessed that I got this free 275-gallon water tank. Now I'll end up having 3 more of those, which will be used for my water storage for my cabin once I get it. Got to pay down some bills before I can get it. So anyway, I hope everybody has a blessed Friday. And I will catch everybody in the next one. Be sure to subscribe for future updates. Comment. Give me a thumbs up. And give me a share.